What if your WordPress forms felt like Typeform? One question at a time, smooth and personal. In this guide, we'll build a conversational form with FlowMattic, link it to a table, and watch every response land as a database record. Head to FlowMattic and click Forms. Here's every form you own, with total submissions and pre-built templates ready to go. Click Create New Form, or let AI generate one for you. We'll build ours from scratch. Meet the form builder. Fields on the left, your form in the middle, and settings on the right. Click or drag to add fields. A name, a work email, company, team size as a drop-down, and one long text question. Every field type is here. Choices, dates, file uploads, ratings, even signatures and calculations. Select any field to fine-tune it, labels, placeholders, and required toggles. Now the magic switch. In the Form panel, under Display Method, choose Conversational. One question at a time, Typeform-Style, with keyboard navigation. That's the whole idea. Add a welcome screen with your heading, a start button, even a takes 2 minutes hint. Next, let's store the responses. Open Settings. Every submission already fires a workflow trigger, but we also want each response saved as a row. Flip on Save Every Submission to a table, type a table name, and click Create and Link Table. That's it. FlowMattic creates the table with one column per field automatically. Your form is instantly live. Grab the public link or paste the shortcode on any page. There's even an API endpoint if you want to submit programmatically. Here's what your visitors see. A clean welcome screen, one click to start. No clutter, no walls of fields, just a conversation. One question at a time with a progress bar up top. Type an answer, hit enter, and glide to the next question. Choices work with keyboard shortcuts. Just press A, B, or C. On the last question, submit. Done in under a minute. Now for the payoff. Open WP Tables, and there's your table, created by the form. Every submission is a clean, typed row, name, email, company, team size, and the full answer. Sort it, search it, export it as CSV, or feed it straight into your workflows. A Typeform-Style experience and a real database behind it, all inside WordPress. FlowMattic Forms. Build yours today.